Modern vehicles use warning lights to communicate critical system issues. The two most common lights drivers encounter are the check engine light and the vehicle stability control light. The check engine light indicates problems with your vehicle's engine management system. This includes fuel system issues, sensor malfunctions, and emission control problems. Oxygen sensors are among the most common causes of check engine lights. They monitor exhaust gases to help the engine control unit maintain proper fuel mixture. The vehicle stability control light indicates issues with your car's traction and stability systems. This includes problems with wheel speed sensors, ABS components, and steering angle sensors. Modern vehicles have interconnected systems where engine problems can trigger VSC warnings and vice versa. Both systems often share common sensors and control modules. Understanding light patterns is crucial for diagnosis. Solid lights indicate an active problem requiring attention, while flashing lights signal severe issues requiring immediate action. Begin diagnosis with a safety check, ensuring the vehicle is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. Perform a visual inspection, checking for obvious issues like a loose gas cap or fluid leaks. The first step in resolving check engine and VSC lights is connecting an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. The diagnostic port is typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Diagnostic trouble codes are categorized into four main types. P codes indicate powertrain issues like engine and transmission problems. B codes relate to body system problems. C codes indicate chassis and VSC related issues. U codes represent network communication problems between modules. Common fixes for check engine lights include replacing oxygen sensors, which account for about 40% of all check engine light issues. Cleaning or replacing the mass airflow sensor is another frequent repair, as shown here with proper cleaning technique. For catalytic converter issues, understanding the exhaust system layout is crucial. VSC light fixes typically involve recalibrating the steering angle sensor using specialized diagnostic equipment or replacing wheel speed sensors located at each wheel. Once repairs are completed, you can reset the warning lights using two main methods. First, disconnect the battery for at least 15 minutes to clear all stored codes. Alternatively, use your OBD2 scanner's clear function for a quicker reset. After resetting the codes, you must complete a manufacturer-specific drive cycle to allow the system monitors to run their tests. This typically requires 50 to 100 miles of varied driving conditions. The lights should remain off after multiple start cycles to confirm the repair was successful.